Good morning, all of you. Yesterday also the market reacted sharply. We lost almost 1% in yesterday's trade, and we fell below that 4,700 marks in yesterday's trade. And if you look at the market yesterday, the main targets were banks, because they had a concern that the NPS are rising because of slowdown in economy. So the banks were the underperformers in yesterday's market. And in addition to that, Reliance Industries Limited, which is a heavyweight in index, also fell down, and on concerns of a drop in gas output from the KG basin. And the index, the heavy volatility prevailed in the market throughout the trading session. And we expect the market to be in volatile trading territory for the remaining days also in this week, because today is the F&I expiry, and moreover we have this primary articles inflation to be detailed by the Commerce Ministry today. So we expect the data to be released by around 11 a.m. in the morning, so that will give some clues to the further trading directions. And afternoon market will purely depend upon the rollover positions of this new contract, and because there are a lot of positions to be rolled over by the traders, so the market will be, and most likely the 99% it will be highly volatile in today's trading session. So what we can look for is a fresh buying in the new contract once it stabilizes above the settlement closing. That means on the first day of the new contract, if the market is sustaining above the previous contract settlement price, that is today's closing price, there can be some pullbacks in the market up to 4,850 levels. So in that case, we can look for some buying, but a strong buy or a clear breakout is only above 4,850, which is a key resistance at this moment. And in the downside, we look for 4,630 and 4,540 levels. The overall trend is still bearish, and that is intact as far as Nifty trades below 4,850. And for the next week, we may have to start looking for corporate earnings. The earnings season will start or kick off by second week of January. So we will be getting more clues for the market direction from the corporate earnings, which is starting on the second week of January. And for today, it is I advise you to exercise caution, as the F&I expiry can be highly volatile. So that's all for now. Thank you and have a nice day.